Bobby Boucher, Southern Cali.
Hey, Mr. 445. Mr. Radio Man in the mag, 445. This is 29, Southern Cal.
Yeah, 29, come on, I hear you out there. Hey, 29, coming over the top of Bobby Boucher, come on.
Boucher, we're off the key.
Don't go nowhere, Bobby Boucher, I heard you in there. Hey, Bobby Boucher, don't go nowhere.
Hey, camera, play down, good evening out there, Hey, Dr. Pepper, that's Bobby Boucher. Tell him I'll have to try to get some water. Hey, 445. Hey, 445, I think it's... Mr. Radio Man out there, this is 29, Southern Cal. T-Bird, when he called the 29, Southern Cal, waving a big hand at you, 445.
All right, back. I heard T-Bird sneaking up in there, too. Hey, T-Bird, hey, I don't want you running over there, but you sneaking up in there, 445, said that.
445. Southern Cal, sit back and read your mail. This is 29, Southern Cal, waving hand, 445, reading the mail.
California 445 and a portable out here reading your mail and waving at you. Have a good day.
Hey, California, Mobile 445 out there, 445 Mississippi, Radio Man, heard you out there. And 445 Mobile out there around California, 445 heard you, and we waving a good evening wave out there.
Mucha pinche confianza porque ya ves que cuando menos piensa uno ahí andan los cabrones.
Hey, 456, you must have the pipeline from California, man. You're still putting in some big old numbers this way. 456 Tulsa, still sounding good in California, man. 10-4. Good evening to you, Mr. 456. Take care.
Hey, California 445, we turn the beam down on you a little bit there, kind of help you out there. Hey, California 445 Mobile, 445 base around Mississippi waving.
What kind of radio you talking about?
Completito, ¿no?
How about that Dr. Pepper? Hey, 445. Hey, 445. You better just keep that video gate running all day today. Hey, 445. You better just keep that video gate running all day today.
Dr. Pepper.
I heard that, 29. Yeah, shoot, we got about 4 or 5 of them made already, and I think you own most of them. Hey, 29, Southern Cal, 445 Radio Man waving.
Oh, dicen que la lleva. ¿Qué onda?
Copy that, 445. Copy that, 445. I'm just sitting here looking through them right now as we speak. Copy that, 445. Just listening in. Let's go. Bye-bye-bye.